Hey guys, please excuse the terrible quality of this video, but I just wanted to do a quick one just to show how you can recover the display on your electronic toothbrush if you happen to have it fail. Now you can see I've already got this one disassembled. Basically inside you've got this front section which comes off. There's your display which sits inside there, and this is a circuit board which just clips on to there with the battery thing. So it should be all fairly familiar if you've got one of these. What I found is the contacts on here are just corroded, you know, with the moisture in the bathroom and things over time. So you can just clean those up and then put it back together, and then hey presto, you should have a working display. So that's it, that on there. You can see it's making a better contact again now. So I'll just reassemble it now. So you want to be careful of things like those ribbons. This circuit board just sits on there and is clipped in. Like so. And the screen sits on top. I'll just check that's in properly. And that fits on the top. So to disassemble it, as you can see, this has got a bit of rubber all the way around it just to try and keep the moisture and stuff out. Basically all I did was get a little penknife. I just pushed it down to this side and found these holes, so literally just put the knife down in there. In between here there's a little bit of flexi space in between this rim here. Obviously don't push too hard or it will just crack, but I just jimmied it up to release it. So no screws, no major tricky clips or anything. This is for the 6856A-3742 Braun. We actually got this one with a Bluetooth enabled toothbrush, which costs rather a lot of money, and to buy another one of these suckers I was surprised that it was about 20-30 quid, something like that, if you could find someone that'd sell you one. And I really wasn't going to be paying that much money for these. You might as well just go and buy another toothbrush, which just seems like a shame when the toothbrush itself actually works perfectly okay. So why not repair it? Anyway, I'm going to put this phone down now and probably push that in to where it should sit. This should be flush all the way around. Obviously don't push or anything too hard on these LCD displays because they'll just split. But there you go, I have saved my toothbrush. Have fun guys.